What's up everyone? My name is Obi and you're watching Hey Obi. So if you're new to this channel, then I upload travel vlogs as well as beauty and lifestyle videos as it pertains to my travels. So what if I told you that you can get the same style from Fashion Nova, from Urban Outfitters, from all these different popular places that you see all the Instagram girls getting their clothes from for just a fraction of the price. A fraction, sis. The answer is Taobao. So if you want to know more about Taobao and what it is, how to use it, keep watching because I will definitely show you how. Taobao is a wholesale marketplace. So what this means is these vendors that are on Taobao, they are manufacturers of different products. So when Fashion Nova needs to manufacture an outfit, then they have to go to the manufacturers, right? So the manufacturers in the factory, they put the clothes together and then boom, it goes into the stores or it goes online. So basically, you as a consumer, you are going to Fashion Nova store or you are going to their online marketplace to buy their thing. Fashion Nova is the middleman in this whole thing. So what Taobao does is it blocks out Fashion Nova, okay? Block that out and you go straight to the source. These people are able to sell their items for so low because it is the source. The reason why you're paying so much more money for your items if you buy them online from any of these other popular places is because they are the middlemen. They have the opportunity to jack up the price of that they bought wholesale to raise their profit margins and everything like that. So I'm going to teach you how to shop on Taobao and therefore cut out the middlemen and get you some really cute clothes at a very affordable price. A lot of these videos, they do mention the use of like an agent of some type, whether it's Easy Buy or like Taobao or something of that nature. But I find when I first got to China and I tried to use those services, I noticed that number one, they don't even have every single thing that is on Taobao. So they're cutting out the amount of things that you can even purchase, because if you don't see something, then how can you purchase it, you know? So number one, they don't even have everything on the website. Number two, you do pay, I call it a foreigner tax, because everything is made more convenient for you. It's in English, you know, you can go that route if you would like, but if you're interested in doing it by yourself without an agent, all in English, keep watching this video because I will definitely let you know how to do that because I do it like every day. So yeah.
So when you get to Taobao, you want to sign in and or create an account. It should be pretty straightforward to create an account, so we won't be going into that with this video. It's just standard procedure, the things that you need to sign up anyways. Yeah, it's pretty standard. Okay, so here we are on the Taobao website. And as you can see, they literally have just about everything here. There's other services for your life that you can use, generally not just clothes and everything. So you get to the main page and you want to put in your search term. So we're going to type in bikini 2018 women sexy, right? Because, you know, we're trying to look fuego. So you got to put the sexy in there. The search terms come up and you start seeing all these fire suits. There's different sorting categories that I am pointing out right now. Just different ways to sort through all of the different materials, including shipping, place, basically. It allows you to pick where you're going or where you are rather, and therefore the seller will be closer to you and therefore you can get your items faster. So it just shows you where, you know, where the seller is located and therefore you can get your clothes faster. It comes pretty fast already though, within 2 to 3 days most likely. So you find the suit that you want and you're gonna pick find similar, or if you want to just go with that suit, you can go with that suit. That's perfectly fine. and just scrolling through the different options, seeing the different suits and everything like that, looking fire or whatever. So you definitely may want to pick a different category. Oh, excuse me, a different category. So I chose the sales volume, which by theory, if something sells a lot, then it must be good or it must have good reviews. So that's what I choose typically. And chose the suit that you want to take a closer look at. And the page pops up. Sometimes it doesn't translate, so you could just press try again, and boom, it's translated for you in English. And if you scroll down, then the vendor puts different details about the item, and you can just look through the different details, have a closer look at the item that you are interested in buying. Also, go into the comment section. Definitely always look at the comments, see what people are saying. These are people who have purchased the item. Definitely check them out. I definitely always look at people who have pictures because I want to see what people are receiving. Yes, it looks a certain way on the website, but what do people actually get? And people are usually really, really, really honest, brutally honest, because no one likes to waste their money. So you can just scroll through the pictures and see if you like the swimsuit or not. And if you like the swimsuit, then you can purchase it, pick your size, and yeah. Or you can add the swimsuit to your favorites. For video purposes, we're going to go to favorites and click on favorite baby. And as you can see, here are some of my favorites. Just various different things. So there's the 4 tabs, the all baby tab, the price reduction. Click on that, you see which items went down in terms of like sales. The failures, those are just things that aren't really being sold anymore. And then you have the same shop baby. So if you have items from the same shop within your favorites cart, then they kind of group them together and just let you know, like, hey, these items are from the same shop, which can be useful. So we're going to go back to all, explore different tabs. These are just like your favorite shops. I only have 2 in here. Okay, then we're going to go back to the favorites. Oh, I'm just demonstrating the similar tab. So you can click, there's a similar and then there's the same option tag. And I clicked on the similar one, and this just pops up with a page of things that are similar to the item that you are looking for. So right now they're going to show me different short sets. And then I'm going to click find a match. And this often happens where they don't really find a match, but sometimes you can, and you can find things that are of a lower price. So we're going to click on the actual item, the actual short set item that I have in the haul, which is why we're using this as an example. And as you can see, if you're using Google, then it automatically translates it for you, or you can press the translate option, because typically this is all in Chinese, as you know. So a lot of people have questions like, how are you using this? A lot of different foreigners have questions like, how are you using this? Even though you don't speak Chinese. And this is how it just automatically translates it for you. So you have the size, you have the color options, the price and everything. I look at the size chart. Definitely go by the size chart. Do not try to like go do some next thing, because then you're going to be upset when you get the clothes and it doesn't fit, and then you have to try to return it, or you just keep it and you're out money. Just hashtag save them coins, sis, and just follow the size chart is key, as well as other comments. Also, there's like pictures and stuff like that of the items. That's the navy blue one. This is the white one. And obviously I chose the white one. So I'm going to pick my size based off of the size chart. And typically I go for ones with like higher stats than this. This is really low. Sometimes I order products with these kind of stats, but I understand that like I'm taking a risk, because if it's not good, then, you know, you kind of asked out a little bit. So pick your size and click the button. It might take some time, but boom, it's added to your cart. So go to cart settlement. Then you see it in your cart, click it again, and then press settlement. And this is basically like, I want to pay. All right, waiting for this thing to load. And then go down and, you know, make sure everything is good. Make sure that it is exactly what you want. Make sure that you're only ordering one. And yeah.
If you like this video or you found it very informative, definitely like the video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.